What is up, foodie fam? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new, welcome to our foodie world where I bring you the simplest homemade recipe. We are back again with another video, and as always, it's a simple recipe. We are making virgin pina colada. Stay tuned and let's get right into it. Our ingredients for today are pineapple, coconut milk, and honey. Yes, it's a 3 ingredients recipe. We are going to blend these 3 ingredients together and voila, we are done. It's very simple. You can make this at home. You don't have to go to the restaurant to enjoy this tropical summer drink. Pina colada is very easy to make. If you want an alcoholic pina colada, all you have to do is to add rum to the above ingredients and voila, you're done. I spent about 11 cedis on this recipe. My pineapple was just 3 cedis, and the coconut milk I got from Palace Mall, which was $7.99, which is like almost 8 cedis. So in all, I spent about 11 cedis because I already had honey at home. So you can try this recipe as well. It's very simple and affordable to score your points. And this brings us to our comment of the day. Our comment of the day is from Kafu Amargo. He says, for someone who doesn't like cooking, this is surely something I'd love to try. So quick to make and seems easy too. Or it be Squid Games. I see what you did right there. If you haven't watched Squid Games on Netflix, you wouldn't understand this comment. And if you don't know where this comment is from, it's from our previous video. So if you haven't seen it yet, the link will be right up here, so you check it out. Your comments can also be featured in our videos. All you have to do is comment down below. Don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and share with your friends and family. Until we meet again in our next video, I hope you enjoy this recipe. Thank you for watching.